Hello and welcome. You're watching Don Bosco Media Network. This is Monalisa Rumbai, bringing to you the news and events from Meghalaya. The headlines for today are: HSPDP to support NDA candidate Draupadi Murmu in the presidential election. Jowai people gets benefit of more than 40 lakhs MLA scheme. Tirsat KSU unit pressed for introduction of science and commerce. And FASTM called off the day and night agitation. And now the news in detail. The Central Executive Committee of the Hill State People's Democratic Party, HSPDP, has decided to support the NDA presidential candidate Shrimati Draupadi Murmu in the coming election to the highest office in the country. Shri KP Pangyang, president of the party, has informed that the party will instruct its two MLAs, Shri Renikton El Tongkhar from Maukerwat and Shri Samlin Malangyang of Soyong constituency, to vote in support for the NDA candidate in the forthcoming presidential election to be held on July 18th. Both the MLAs of this party are members in the cabinet of the Meghalaya Democratic Alliance government. Other subjects discussed in detail in the CEC included the present quota of job reservation in the state and the party's preparations for the coming state assembly election that will take place in 2023, informed the party president.
Untuk mengiran kami ya kecil ya, relang su untuk parti nomor isu dua puluh juni saja, seperti ini. Dengan rai saya bang ai kecil sang, ya, kandidate jom LDA tentang sosial election. Laga bangi, implementasi bagi MLA jungi alu, ai ada kecil sang untuk parti kelara. Nalong ketapat ni don kecing dia keren. Banamar baka ka RDA jumi kadang don. Kebamut baka HSPDP baka UDP Alliance. Di nadu kene ke MP election tu ni ya relang. Apa bagi pesan yo candidate jo UDP. Di haba ni don hakata keseti jo RDA. Ni sudai nu bakum ka parti kamput tang bagi pesan mengi si parti. Bagi don ro kecing Kendulang lagi, ya kepada menga presiden, senior vice president, secretary ni orang yang kalau begitu cukup hang buat RDA. Ya kata kadai kadai kada saya jadi ke parti, dan kepada RDA itu mengenai kandai cekeju dan berkat kembali ke dalam.
On the 5th of July 2022, the MLA Jowai constituency distributed MLA scheme under SRWP for the year 2019 and 2020. Speaking to the media, Shri Wailatmiki Shillong said, for clean and transparency in the distribution, people are being distributed by check so that no unfair activities will take place.
MLA scheme yang SRWP yang usnem arjar kat kende arpau kawa ini neba ini wadep jan kemoi pijan ni wadep dedep sama cepo liang nong kendong liang nong kendong neba ceki di area nong kendong dang bon gi wadang kuai gi di CGI sheet ni kitin yung te dem te haju ipor le tiba i ceki thai nong kendong kham tam kam ge chnong mi mintru ta bon gi krek misteri te style yang de e gitin gitiar misteri.
Speaking to media persons, President of KSU Tirsat Circle, Krau Rinja, said that as of today, there is no schools in Tirsat area which have science and commerce streams. Hence, it is high time for the Education Department to introduce these streams for the benefit of students, especially those who are from low-income families. As of today, Tirsat High Secondary School, which is more than 50 years old, has only Class 12 Art stream. Hence, we have demanded from the Education Minister to introduce science and commerce streams in the school, which cater to more than 50 villages in the area, said Rinja. Rinja also said that there is a need to upgrade many other schools in Tirsat area, as till today, the families in the area are depending to send their children to Tirsat High Secondary School for education, as there is no other quality schools in the area.
Jadi ni terkadang nak seng idun kamprat kecil perkat ini, kemudian bah idun kam bila dai ru kepor bangin tawa nak ban buno ya ka science stream ka class 11 class 12 nang ta commerce stream khnang bagi kena kuli jo ka thai kin sup habidai bat ka puli buti hang ti pot sa te kai ka banta ka wana kaliang jumi seng kule ka lomba ha ki jingi mir jumut display jumi ngilas ngudai ru ha boro isketa bana kaliang juga dia kapli ti po kadong kathay i ba kadon tang ka cluster art po sa higher secondary school ko ta na kaliang jungi ya school dulu ban pesngeu hai minister ba ban bentur kan no ni ban plino ya ka BA art stream anti po apo tasat teknang magipat ba bagila berkesian lagi jom jikur ban haba kadon gi bentar kadon hajan kajian puli berkata kalau ru bagi beduk masuk ke bawah negeri ni guna kayu pot ila pot ban ya shmat nani ban shmat bagi jom.
After the Chief Minister Konot K. Sangma had announced that the State Cabinet had approved to enhance the salaries of ad hoc teachers by Rs 6,000 and Rs 9,000 according to the categories and subjects they are teaching, the leaders of Federation of All School Teachers of Meghalaya, FASTM, had decided to call off the day and night agitations which was going on for the last full 1 week.
We sat here and we won to not go back home. That we got less salary. Go back home where you are happy that you won. So the decision that we are about to take here today, I know if I ask each and every single one of you, you'll have different opinions. And that can be dangerous for everyone. Some of you will say, let's go home. We have got what we asked for, or else we might lose what we already have. Some of you might say, no, we should still fight. But I will tell you right now, do not be selfish. Be selfless. Think about the others as well. There are so many who have been fighting for the last 3 months. So many are tired. So many have been away from home. So many who have had to face so much.
So viewers, that is all we have for you today. Until we meet again, thank you for watching.